How to address envelope using pen and Cricut machine. Step 1. In Cricut Design Space, select a square, then resize it to the size of the envelope from the taskbar. Step 2. Click the color box in the Operations section, then change the color. Step 3. Go to Text and type out the address. Step 4. Select the address, click the font drop-down, then search and select a single layer font to use. Step 5. Size down the text to fit into the envelope and to the size you prefer. Step 6. If you want to change the size of the font, change it from the font size drop-down. Step 7. Select the rectangle and address, click Align drop-down and select Center. Step 8. If you want to add a return address, duplicate the address box, resize it, and add the address on the top left corner. Step 9. Make sure that the operation is set to pen and select a black fine pen. Step 10. Next, make sure that the style is set to writing. Step 11. Once you have everything ready, select all the layers and click Attach. Step 12. Click Make, select on Matte and click Confirm. Step 13. Reposition the envelope on the mat and click Continue. Step 14. Select medium cardstock as the base material. Step 15. Following the placement of the envelope on the Prepare screen, line up the envelope on the cutting mat. Step 16. Go to your Cricut machine, move the star wheels to the side, open clamp B and remove the blade. Step 17. Open clamp A, then push up and remove the adapter if you're not using a Cricut pen. Step 18. Slide the pen into the adapter, then insert it into clamp A and close it. Step 19. Load the mat into the machine and press the Start button to begin writing. Step 20. Once done, unload the mat and remove the pen. Step 21. Flip the mat over and gently peel it away from the envelope. Step 22. The envelope is ready to use. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.